I went to a cat cafe, and Barry, have you ever been to a cat cafe?
What's that?
Have you ever been to a cat cafe?
What, do they serve up whiskers and that, is it?
Guy, can you explain to Barry what it is?
It's a cafe with cats, Barry.
Well, what do they do? Serve? Do you eat them? What do
they place the cats in very inappropriate sort of suited up waiter costumes, and they put little strings attached to the paws of the cat and make them serve you.
Absolute nonsense. Never heard anything like it. Oh, they're very unhygienic with all their bumholes and that, isn't it?
But at least you have somewhere to put your pot towels.
Crikey.
Crikey. Guy, listen.
Crikey, right.
Okay, it's a bit racist. Guy, thank you for that, mate.
Right.
There we go. Barry, say hello to Kadir for me.
Hello, Kadir.
Hi there, how you doing?
Not so dusty, thanks, how are you?
Oh, I'm brilliant, cheers. What have you been up to today?
Oh, God, it's a miserable time of year, isn't it?
Oh, it is, isn't it? I went to the Bird in Hand and I was talking to my new friend, Stu Haycock.
Right, yeah, you would sort of ask me what I was doing. Don't matter, let's hear about you first. Go on, yeah.
That's all right, because I think it relates to the both of us, to be honest.
Go on, so what did Stu Haycock do?
Well, he didn't do much. I did it to him. I'm ashamed of it, but I bullied him over Twitter, so I had to make amends.
Yeah, had to be there, really, didn't you? Do you want to hear what I got up to?
You know what? I'd love to, actually.
Because it's a miserable time of year, woke up this morning with my lovely wife, and we spent all day in bed making sweet, sweet love.
Oh, but Barry, that's quite a good day rather than a miserable day.
And spent... crikey. Not O'Reilly, that's racist, but crikey. That woman, she is... Well, I'm not going to say anything rude, I'm just... One's allowed to make love with one's wife.
It's allowed, yeah?
She made me feel like a king today.
Oh, of course she did. I bet she treated you like one as well. Treated like a king.
She does. Rodney King. She bashed me over it. No. And what she made me feel like was a whole man.
A whole man.
She made me feel whole. And funny enough, later on, we went downstairs. I'm not saying nothing. At lunchtime, she'd done a cheesy elite bake for lunch. We had a cheesy elite bake, and then we went up. She said, "Oh, Barry, I'm feeling a bit. Can I say horny?"
There's a list of swear words you can and can't say on Ofcom. I'll check it for you. Don't worry.
Raunchy.
That's fine.
We went upstairs, hopped back into bed, made love, and unfortunately some blew off at one stage. She done the old Dutch oven, which I don't like, and that sort of killed it in a way. But it's those silly little things that you enjoy. What I recommend is making love in this miserable January, not with Margaret necessarily, but with a lady or a man of your...
2018,
of your choosing, you know.
So you had the cheesy leek bake. How long did you leave it before you went upstairs? Because that's sort of it's quite high in iron, isn't it?
You're quite right. You're quite right. You're absolutely right. I couldn't wait. I walked it down. There's a couple of Brussels sprouts left over from Sunday's roast.
That's filthy.
Wolfed it down. Of course, that will happen. Any pressure on the abdomen will cause you to blow off, and that's what happened, and it was disgusting. However, when you've been with someone for many, many years, that sort of thing don't matter. We're very much in love.